Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy. Now today I'm doing something a bit different. I've gone to Lidl and to Aldi. I'm going to do a compare, see what tastes the best. So let me show you what I've got. Right, we've got Aldi this side, Lidl that side. So what I've got, chicken and gravy pies. There's the Aldi one. That's puff pastry, 99 pence. There's the Lidl one. I think that's short crust. Yeah, short crust pastry, that one. I didn't have any puff pastry. They've got French fries. But both them pies were 99p. The chips were 69p each, the fries. So they're both the same. And then I got garlic bread. There's the Aldi one. That was 69 pence. And there's the Lidl one. That was 75 reduced to 69. But that's 16. So Aldi garlic bread's a little bit cheaper. Apart from that was on the sale for some reason. So we'll get it open. I'll put it on the tray and we'll have a look. But we'll start off with the pies. So there's the Aldi one. There it is. Puff pastry. Looks quite nice. A bit like a pucker pie. And, oops. And here's the Lidl one. Short crust one that is though. Looks nice though. There they're both for. Lidl on the right, Aldi on the left. There's them. Now we're going to garlic bread. Lidl one first. Oh, it smells. It smells very garlicky, that one does. There's the Lidl one. There's quite a lot of garlic in there, to be fair. Now the Aldi one. There's the Aldis. There's the Lidls. More garlic in the Lidls by the looks of things. My Lidls is plastered in it, look. Garlic butter. Okay. Let's not get it mixed up. Now for the French fries, I don't expect there'll be much difference in these, but you never know. This is Four Seasons, Aldi's, let's have a look, there they are. They look quite nice actually, but it's how they come out when they're cooked, isn't it? Is the thing. Here's the little ones. Let's get them open. And there's the Lidl. Let's have a compare. Aldi, Lidl. They look exactly the same, don't they? What's what I'm going to do? Get some chips on the Lidl one, at the front for the Lidl. Spread them out. I'm just going to do it as the instructions say. Chips take 20 minutes, pies take 25, so I don't think there's going to be much difference. Put the big ones there so I know they're separate. Couple more on there, I think. So there we go, that's them. Aldi at the back, Lidl at the front. And what I'll do is halfway through, I'll turn it around that way. So they both get the same then. And we'll garlic bread then. Lidl on the right, Aldi on the left. And that's that one. Okay, eh? Lidl one looks a lot nicer with the butter, to be fair. So I'll get it in the oven and we'll see what it comes out like. Right, there we go then. Looks nice, there's the Aldi. And there's the Lidl. So I'll show you each one. What I have noticed is the Aldi's chips have gone a bit browner, to be fair. But the Aldi's chips feel crunchier. Looks nice though. So let's give it a taste test. Right, I'm going to try the Aldi chip first. There it is. I ain't put no salt and pepper on or nothing. Now the Lidl. Try that again. Aldi. Lidl. Aldi ones are a little bit crunchier. There's not much in it, but Aldi's a little bit crunchier, I think. But they're also a little bit browner as well. It's like they're burnt more. Right, let's try the pie. Aldi one first. There it is. Nice bit of chicken. Looks nice. There's some chicken in it. It's hot. There it is. There's the Aldi. That's very tasty, to be fair. That is tasty. I want the knife, the fork over. And we'll do the Lidl one. That's nice. That older one's okay. Right, let's try the Lidl. So this one's short crust. Ooh, it's got a lot softer base. Basically like it's collapsing. Like I'm cutting it and it's just collapsing on me, look. There's the Lidl. Let's have a look there. Aldi's gravy looks a bit darker. There's a Lidl. Straight away. Aldi's one's a lot better than that. Aldi's the winner on the pie, definitely. More flavour. So Aldi wins on the pie and the chips. Now we're on to the garlic. Let's cut the garlic bread up. Let's cut the garlic bread. This is the Aldi one. There's not as much garlic in there, to be fair. Tasty, very tasty. Now the Lidl. Now the Lidl one looked like it had more garlic in before we cooked it. So let's have a look. There may be a little bit more juice. There's the Lidl, and there's the Aldi. I think the Lidl one's got a little bit more juice. Let's have a look. No. No. There's not much flavour in that at all. Not much flavour. Well, there we go. Aldi's better on the chips. Aldi's better on the pie. And Aldi's better on the garlic bread. The chips isn't a lot of difference, but it's a little bit crunchier. The pie, I don't know if I can pick that up. Let's see if I can show you. And then there's Aldi's pie. And there's Lidl's. See the colour in the gravy? Don't know if you can see that properly. And the garlic bread, I'll give to Aldi. Bit more garlicky. So all in all, Aldi's the winner. So there we go. Suppose I better eat it all now. Anyway, I am the old food guy. Thanks for watching. If you do like content like this, give us a like, give us a subscribe. I upload every day. So until tomorrow, see you later. Bye bye. Have some more Aldi pie. Oh yeah, Aldi pie. Bye bye.